All right, on our latest episode of Can He Save That Tire, we got another nail. Probably wondering, damn, how many nails this dude be getting? Well, listen, living in South Florida, sunny South Florida, always construction on the roads, so nails are gonna happen just like waking up in the morning. So, well, hopefully you wake up in the morning. Anyways, so as we see, I checked, they got my soap and water here. We got bubbles. So we got a culprit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get my rubber cement ready, throw it on my plug here. Where do you guys get your plugs from? I get mine's online. CK Auto is probably one of the best plug kits that I've ever used. I don't know about those slime ones they sell at the gas stations and stuff like that. I actually hate those. They actually come off too slim. They don't vulcanize properly. These CK Auto plugs, never had no issues, man. But yeah, get that ready. Let's go ahead and extract this guy. Usually when it's a screw, you try to unscrew it and try to yank it out rather than try to yank it out. Unscrew it, come out a lot easier instead of fighting for your life. But yeah, she's got a nice little, jeez, okay. Sheesh. You think that's too thick for me to plug? Let's find out. Get my drill ream. Try to go in the same direction it came out. And the trick with reaming it out with the drill like that, it gets it warm. So when you put the plug in, it actually kind of melts it in there. Trick of the trade right there. Now, if you start using my method, don't forget to let me know and tag me, you know what I mean? Don't forget to shout me out. But it went in nice and pretty difficult to go in, so that's always a good sign. Let me know that's creating a good seal. So let that settle for a second with that rubber cement on there. Yank her out. You know what I always say? Hit it with the razor. Take it down a little bit. Just bring back that soap and water. See what we got. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Plug to perfection.